Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to install VirtualBox here into your Windows PC, well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and just basically open up any browser. So, in this case, just open up any browser, just search here VirtualBox, and you want to look for Oracle VirtualBox. So, virtualbox.org. Let's go open it up. Now, if you're wondering, this is pretty much the same thing. So before it's just called VirtualBox, it was rebranded as Oracle VirtualBox here, so don't have to worry about it. But for now, let's go and click on download here, either the center or the very top here, either one. But it should redirect you to the download page, which should allow you to start downloading the specific version that you need. So there are different like VirtualBox platform packages here. So you have Windows hosts, Mac OS, Solaris hosts, and a lot more. But what we're looking for is going to be the VirtualBox specifically for Windows. So in this case, you want to go ahead and click on Windows host here. Let's go and download this. And should download the .exe file for Windows. Let's go and just click on the folder option here. Double click on the installer or the .exe file and just wait for a while. Now, once it's actually running here, it's going to ask you a few details. Just click on next. Now, you need to accept the terms of license agreement here. Click on next. Now, by default, it would consume a significant amount of space, but in this case, you first need to specify the actual installation location. So by default, this is going to be the location. So program files, Oracle, then VirtualBox. You can go change this if you want to like use a specific disk, but I'm good with this one. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, it's going to say during installation Oracle VirtualBox networking, your network will be disconnected. So ensure any operations require network connections are complete before continuing. Let's go and click on yes. Now from here, let's go and click on yes. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to add this to your start menu, create desktop shortcut, and start by default when opening OVA or OVA files. Let's go and click next. Next. Let's go and click on install here to complete. It might take a while, so just wait for it to complete. Now, once it's actually installed, you can go and just choose either if you want to start VirtualBox here. Let's go and click on finish. It will automatically run as you can see here. Now, if you want to start using this, you can go and just click on either new, open. So if you want to add, like for example, a new virtual machine, you can go and add the name. You can go and select the ISO or ISO image here, and you can go and choose the OS edition and whatever. So if you want to set it up, but that's how you install VirtualBox here on Windows 11. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.